Hey guys, what's up? I'm Morgan and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad that you are tuned in to today's video. If you find anything about my content that you like, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as like these videos because it helps me out in the YouTube algorithm, but it also helps new eyes see these videos that are like mine, just like us. So today's video, you guys, is all about the one app that I've been using on Shopify for the last 2.5 months that helps me convert sales and that helps me engage with my customers a lot more. So if this sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. Okay, so the app that I want to talk to you guys about is called Shopify Ping. You can run this app completely through your phone, which is something that I would suggest. And basically what the Shopify Ping app does, or what it is an app that lets you instantly connect with your customer when they are on your site. And in order to do that, you have to have a Facebook business page, or even it will even connect to your actual Facebook page. I won't recommend that, but I have a Facebook page that is just for my swimwear brand, and I connect the Shopify Ping app to my messenger for my Facebook business page. And when a customer is on my website, they can click on the little customer service button. It's pink, as a pink circle at the bottom of my website on the right hand side, and you just click on that button and you can send whatever inquiry that you have directly to my messenger, and in real time you will get a response from either myself or from my assistant, whether or not she's on or I'm on at whatever given time. I do have customer service hours, so if you have a question during those hours, that's when you will get an instant notification. Okay, so it will basically work like this. If I'm your customer and I come onto your website, and let's say I'm scrolling and I'm looking at a bikini on your site and the measurements are a little bit confusing, I can click on the customer service app and I can say, hey, I'm checking out I'm checking out such and such top, and I was wondering if this top would fit, or if this top would be perfect for someone with my cup size. Do you have any recommendations on what size I should purchase? And instantly when I press send, I will get a notification, or you will get a notification on your phone, a ping, because it's called Shopify Ping. You will get a notification on your phone and you can respond in real time. So that way you are not only showing that you have amazing customer service, but what you're doing is showing your audience that you are fully connected to them at all times, and they are able to get questions answered so that they can keep shopping and don't have to constantly come back or wait for you to reply on Instagram through DM or in a comment or wherever it is that you are at across social media. It's a direct connection on your website, and it's really, really good to have something like that. Now, the other thing about this app is inside of the Shopify Ping app, there is going to be an option that says Connect Kit. Kit is K-I-T, and it's another app through Shopify that has been upgrading since I've been on Shopify, and even before I even start using Shopify over 2 years ago now. Now, this app, when I first installed this app on my phone and when I first connected it on my Shopify store, it wasn't this advanced, so I deleted it. There was no point of me having it. But now, about 2.5 months ago so far, I've been utilizing Kit, and I connected it straight through the Shopify Ping app. I connected it and it's done a lot for me and my business, again, in the last 2.5 months. Now, what is Kit? Kit is an app that basically goes through your user data on your Shopify store, meaning that it literally analyzes every single thing that is happening on the back end of your Shopify store. It knows how many times customers has visited a certain a certain page on your site, whether that's tops or bottoms or one pieces or whatever. It starts to calculate this data. The more and more data, or the more and more traffic that you get on your site, the more and more data that it goes into Kit. And then Kit in turns has updates all the time. They will message you. I have Kit message me every morning and tell me my new business report. Tell me what's been going on my site. So that way I have a gauge on what it is that I can start promoting more, what product I can start pushing to my Instagram page or my Facebook page, or whatever it is that works for you and your brand. So it's been helping me convert sales, and it's also been helping me gain new eyes, or get new eyes on my product and also onto my Instagram account. Now, what I'm gonna tell you right now, just as a disclaimer, I tried to use Kit to run ads through Facebook for a certain product on my site. And what it does is it's not as advanced in running ads if you don't know how to run the ads yourself on Facebook. I like to run ads directly through Facebook because they have multiple options. It has conversions, it has just link clicks, it has things like that, and it's easier to input all the information straight through Facebook ads rather than use Kit, because Kit doesn't do that, okay? I just want to throw that out there. I did use Kit though to run an ad because I wanted to test out how powerful their skills are when it comes to knowing my brand. So what happened is Kit ran an ad, but they run ads mostly through like link clicks. I don't run link click ads because I already have organic traffic coming to my site, so it really serves me no purpose to get like paying for an ad just to get clicks onto the website. Now, does it help? Absolutely, because people are clicking on the link because they like the picture that you use in the ad, and they are coming back to your website, which in turn can help you convert that click into a sale because they like the product that is being advertised. However, again, link clicks for me personally, I don't need to do. So I ran different types of ads through Kit, and I noticed that the one ad that converts are mostly the flat lay photos that convert best on Kit, only because when Kit suggests that it's time to run an ad, they pick random pictures from your site. And Facebook, again, I keep telling people, when it comes to Swimwear Brands and Facebook ads, it's very hard to run an ad for Swimwear Brands because anything could be sexually explicit in the eyes of a bot that's controlling the ads that are getting approved. So just be aware of that, okay? But how has Kit been helping me convert sales other than ads? You might be wanting to know that as well. So what I've been doing with this app is basically having Kit update me, like I said before, on business aspects, like giving me a business overview and telling me what's going on with my site. And then it'll have questions that you can just click yes or no. They'll ask you, hey, should we, people have been searching for swimwear a lot lately, more than usual, and we think that this specific item on your website should be posted to your Facebook page. Would you like me to do that for you? I'll click yes, because you can approve exactly what it looks like. They'll show you what they want to do with their templates, and you can just click on yes or no. I click no sometimes because I'm like, no, that's similar to the last one, that's weird. So I just click no, or I'll do it post myself. You can use it organically, just throwing that out there as well. And also the other thing that Kit will do is they will suggest it's a time for you to start pushing a certain product. It's the same way as posting on Facebook, but they'll say, hey, this item is really good to run a Facebook ad. Do you want to set a new goal to try to get new customers or new sales, or what is your sales goal? Can we help you do that? You can click yes or no, and then they'll go into the next phase and say, can you approve this? And I'll be like, no, or yes, and then you can approve what they're saying, and they will do everything automatically for you because, again, everything is already set up through your Shopify backend, and all Kit is doing is analyzing that data and using that data to your advantage for you to convert sales and to get new eyes on your product. One more thing about the Kit app. So the best part to me, in my just opinion, this will be, your opinion might change when you start using the app, but in my opinion, the one thing that has been really great for me as far as using the Kit app is using their email marketing part. Their email marketing service through Kit is amazing. They have different templates, and they have different things and that they utilize, and they'll tell you, like, if you want to send, let's say I send an email updating my customers on whatever it is, a new product, and I send that email on a Monday. If I want to send another email on Wednesday, Kit will say, hey, slow down a little bit. You just sent an email on Monday. Let's give your customers time to use that first email to get to your site, to see what's happening, and we will let you know when is the perfect time to send another email. So this can happen often because sometimes you just get in the mindset of send, but you're not really thinking about letting your audience breathe a little so that they can have time to actually process what it is that you're trying to sell or what it is that you're trying to inform them on. So I've been using the email marketing aspect, and sometimes they don't email all of my customers. They can break it up into groups where they'll say, hey, such and such, this amount of people didn't open up the email. Let's send them a different email so we can get the ball rolling. And I'll click, okay, yes. And they'll ask me to approve it. I'll click yes, and they'll send it automatically for me. Another good thing about email marketing is when I have a sale, I don't have to personally go in to let them automate just on my MailChimp app, because I love MailChimp. But through MailChimp, they automatically will get a thank you. But on Kit's end, what Kit does is maybe a day or two later, they say, hey, you just had a couple of sales. Would you like to send a thank you email, a personalized thank you email, thanking them for, you know, becoming a new Mayhem Swim customer? And I'll click yes. They'll say which template would I like. I'll click on the one that I like, and they say, would you like me to send this now, or you want to schedule it? I said send it now, because usually they have the perfect timing anyway. So I say send it now. They will send it automatically, and they will say, hey, we just sent your customers, your new customers, some thank you emails. Let's look forward to more traffic on your site, whatever it is. So that's how Shopify Ping works. I, again, highly suggest that you start utilizing it immediately, because it helps Kit get better data from your Shopify store as you grow. So it's gonna take some time. Obviously, when you first start, you're not gonna have much data, but if you keep it on your phone and you keep it on and you keep playing around with the different settings in there, they will eventually start understanding you and how you program everything, but it will also start to analyze your audience. And so better conversions. You got to get this money, okay? So that's all that I have. I really wanted to bring this to you guys. Again, I only like to talk to you guys about things that I test out for myself, or that I know works or doesn't work, so I can update you guys. But Shopify Ping has been amazing to me. I haven't watched any other videos about it, so I'm gonna do that now. But for me, it's been great. It's been amazing. And then through Kit, it has also been amazing. So having something that is, again, automated, you guys, automation really helps grow your business, because you have time to actually focus on the branding aspects and stuff like that. So, you know, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, because I'm about to start rolling out more content. I took a little 3-4 day hiatus, but I'm back in business now. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.